Count out 10 Smarties. Divide the Smarties into 5 equal groups. How many Smarties are in each group? Well, first let's count out our 10 Smarties. So, we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have 10 Smarties, and we are going to put them in 5 equal groups. So let's do, here's group 1, group 2, group 3, group 4, group 5. And now we just continue to put them in our groups. So this belongs with this group, second group, third group, our fourth group, and our fifth group. So boys and girls, as you can see, Miss Nova has 1 group, 2 groups, 3 groups, 4 groups, and her 5th group. It says how many Smarties are in each group? Well, how many Smarties are in each group? 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So we have 2 Smarties in each group. So you go to your answer, you type 2.